Hi guys, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Still Finding Joy, where we are finding joy even in hard seasons. And today we're going to do a what's in my bag. And we are doing, this is a Florentine leather satchel. Let me turn it around for you. And it is in the color teal. And it does have the feet at the bottom. And let's get into it. So first I'll show you this little scarf thing. I got this off of Amazon. The charm is from Amazon. This little puff with the initial. And then I thought this was so cute. And this is a purse chain that I got off of Amazon. It has ladybug, butterfly, bee, dragon. Oops, let me make sure you can see that. Dragonfly and a frog. And I found this purse on the I Love Dooney website a while ago. I got it for a great price. So we're gonna take a look inside. And this bag fits a lot inside. So we'll just start pulling out stuff. First thing, of course, gotta have the glasses. Got the Kindle. Got a pack of sunflower seeds. Y'all still eat these? Okay, we have a little coin purse, and it just has candies inside. Okay, we have a wallet. I actually found this wallet at Marshall's, and I don't know. It looks kind of like Bessie Johnson, but it is not. So I'm not sure if the brand, it didn't have like a brand name on it. But here is how it is inside. I already took everything out. So you can fit quite a few cards in there. Then it has a spot for charms. I did put these in here. I bought these cards for myself. You know, you see these cards like I got these at Hobby Lobby, but they sell them like at Crackle Barrel. They're the wallet cards that you could give people. But I read them and I just thought that this was something good, a good reminder for myself. So I said, hey, I got them for me. And so you can kind of see what they say. Okay, I have my little pouch here. And I found these little cheetah print pouches, I think on Amazon. It actually came in a set of 3. And I have another one in there, and then the larger one, I'll kind of use it for when I'm traveling. So here we just have like some medicines, some wet ones, eyeglass cleaner, eye drops, and some toothpicks, and everything, and some scrunchies. They fit perfectly in there. Have my fan. And last time I pulled this out, I didn't even realize, because I was looking for the link, and I didn't realize that this has a mirror on it. So I just got to take that off. So that's pretty cool. So it's a fan and a mirror. I have this little lollipop from one of my daughters for Valentine's Day. And then let's see what we have. Okay, we have the medium-sized bag. And in here I just have some, a little bit of makeup. Flying. But we have some spray. This is that Burberry Goddess Travel Tomatoes spray. This smells pretty good. I actually have this Catalina Herrera, I'm not sure if it's good girl or bad girl, but it's a spray too. And for a long time, I kept trying to push the heel, thinking that was gonna make it spray, but this actually twists off and you just dab it on. We have the Dior Skin Correct concealer. This is something new to me. I was in the mall and at Dillard's with a friend, and they did free makeovers on us, and I ended up liking this concealer a lot. So that's the Dior concealer, and then this is the Dior Forever Skin Perfect foundation in the color 5N, and it is like it's a stick foundation, and that's also something new to me that I had never used, but I liked how it looked and felt on my skin when she did that. Also, let me tell you the color of this. This one is a 4.5N. Okay, and then I have my Ulta Beauty brow pencil. I have the Sephora Fluff and Fix Brow Wax, and this is just a clear, just wax when you want your brows to behave and stay in the same direction. I have a MAC lipstick here, and it is Succumb to Plum is the color. I don't know if you can see that. I'll kind of make a little swatch of it. So there's that. It's really pretty, and it has a little shine to it. I have, this is the La Roche-Posay lip hydration restore lip balm. So it's just a clear plain lip balm. Have the e.l.f. Hot as Fudge. That's like a lip oil. This is something new that I got that I wanted to try, and it's a Lancome mascara. It's called Curl Goddess. And at first when I opened the box, I thought like my mascara had got squished, but this is actually the design of the package. And so that's how that, can you see that? Yep, that's how that brush is. And then I have my Sephora, it's a micro smooth powder, and the color is 56 Mahogany Tan Neutral. And it's a nice powder. It just gives a nice finish. So we'll put those back. I really like these pouches. I actually, when I initially got them for traveling. But I just thought they would be cute and good with the purse. Let's see. So I have my, what is this? This is hand cream. It's the Bath & Body Works hand cream, the 1000 Wishes. And then I have some Lancome Juicy Tube. This color is Marshmallow Electro. Looks like it's an ultra shiny lip gloss. It has like the shimmeries in it. I don't use that one a lot. I have some Poopery. And then I have my AirPods. My little key tag came off the chain part, so I need to get another chain to put on there. I don't really switch out my cases that much, and right now this one matches my phone case. So let's see. So I really, if you're looking at getting the Florentine satchel, this is really nice. I really like it. We'll just set everything up and kind of see what we have. And right now on my Kindle, I just finished a book. It's called The Berry Pickers. It was something that I was reading for my book club, and I thought it was a pretty good read. So there we go. That is what's in my bag. And then I wanted, just as an added bonus, I wanted to show you guys this. I saw this on Dee Bean. She had posted this on one of her YouTube posts, and I immediately added this to my cart and ordered it. And I got it from Nordstrom, and I got it shipped, and actually it came really quick actually. And so it's this. It's a key tag for your for your bag, and it does have the mirror on it. as you can see. And it was on sale, and it actually came in 3 different colors. They had it in a pink, a red, and black. And I had such a hard time trying to decide which color, but I decided on the pink. But now that I see it in person, I might have to go back and order the other 2. But that is all that I have. If you like my video, I do ask that you would. All right, guys, so if you like the video, please give me a comment, a like, and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye.